This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to work on 3 different melodies together that are written in tablature notation. Of course, that is the focus of this lesson series, and right now in the lesson series, we're working on reading in these higher positions. In this lesson, we're going to mostly be in 12th position, which puts our index finger at the 12th fret, middle at the 13th, ring at the 14th, and pinky at the 15th. And then there is a song where we'll do a little bit of shifting besides that, so it's going to be super fun. Of course, as we're playing these melodies and working on them together, we'll be jamming right along with bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment, which is really helpful and makes it super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In the book, we're going to be on pages 121 and 122, doing songs 167, 168, and 169. So each one of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos. First that slower tempo and then that faster tempo. As you're getting started with playing them, of course, you want to glance over those first few measures and find the lowest fret that's being used and put your index finger there. Now, we're going to be playing in 12th position for number 167 and 168 exclusively. So index in that 12th fret, middle in the 13th, ring in the 14th, and pinky in the 15th, as I said earlier. And then with number 169, we're going to start off in 12th position, but there's going to be occasions where you got to shift to 10th position and to 8th position. So we have a little bit of shifting there, but mostly we'll be in 12th position. It's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these. Okay, awesome. I want to say congratulations. Look at all of those songs. Number 1 through 169. We've worked in first position on all the strings, and we've been working all along the fretboard in different positions. Now, for the rest of the book, we're going to be jamming on different challenge pieces. Some of them are classical pieces that really help us develop our coordination between the right and left hands that are fun to play. And also there's some jazzy ones, just some old folk tunes and so on. We're going to have fun playing these together. And we'll start that, of course, in the next video. And the next several videos, we'll be making our way through from songs 170 to 200. So it's going to be super, super great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.